Tension provided by our patented loop and button attachments will give you the fit and function we promise if you use our measuring instructions, size chart, and the attachment instructions provided in the package. To find your chemisette size, measure from the inside edge of one bra strap to the inside edge of the other bra strap. Then refer to the size chart. To attach the panel, wrap the loop around the front of your bra strap and double wrap around each button. Repeat with the other side. If you do not feel any tension in the panel, you can double wrap the loops around one or both bra straps before double wrapping around the buttons. The tension allows the panel to lay flat and stay in place as you move through your day. Our patented attachments also provide other benefits you won't get with other modesty panels. They allow the panel to work well on any bra strap, regardless how wide or thick. The tension allows you to choose how high or low you wear the panel by just sliding the loops up or down the bra straps. You may want to wear it low enough to just cover cleavage, or you may want to wear it higher to cover scars, skin conditions, or tattoos. The tension keeps the top edge of the panel close to your skin when you bend over, while the bottom moves with the outer garment. This keeps you covered all the way down to your waist. This is especially beneficial for teachers and caregivers. Chemisettes can be worn comfortably for long hours. Most women forget they have it on. The chemisette is easy to attach and remove without needing to find a private room to take off your blouse, top, or dress.